Welcome to Periodic High, home to elements and molecules alike. Today, Periodic High has a new addition to its student body, a new element by the name of unanoctium. But little do the students know that this new element is about to turn the school upside down.
Hi, are you new here?
Yeah, today's my first day.
Oh, come hang out with us. We'll show you around. I'm Erbium.
I'm Thorium.
Hi, I'm Unanoctium.
What class do you have right now?
Lunch.
Oh, that's perfect. We'll guide you to the cafeteria. Your intermolecular force in there is crucial because everyone is watching.
You have the hydrogen bondings, the metallics, the London dispersion forces, the dipole forces, and the worst type of intermolecular force you will ever meet.
Beware of the covalents.
Who are the covalents?
They're periodic table royalty. Only certain kinds of solids can form due to covalent bonding. They're technically an intramolecular force, but they can get away with breaking the rules and being an intermolecular force as well.
They're super rich and even more tightly held together than the hydrogen bonding molecules.
That pink one over there is quartz. She's their weakest link because she's kind of transparent and not very smart. The other two make fun of her a lot because she doesn't have a carbon in her makeup.
That shining gray one is graphite. She's the second in command of the group, but last year she got in a huge fight with Diamond over which one was more difficult to break. Graphite knows she's not as strong as Diamond because her network is made of sheets and it makes her furious. Things are pretty tense.
Diamond? Is she the third one? Yup. Diamond is the queen of the school. She's more valuable and more tightly held together than the other two.
I'd steer clear of them if I were you.
Unoctium was so happy she made some friends, but the next day...
Oh, you're the new element, aren't you?
Yeah, hi, I'm Unanoctium.
Have you had any intermolecular interactions yet?
No, not yet. It was just discovered.
Well, we don't normally do this, but we were thinking we might allow you in our group for tomorrow.
Oh, that's really okay. I mean...
Cool. We'll see you tomorrow then.
What was that about?
I don't know, they want me to eat with them this week or something.
Oh my god, that's perfect. You have to be friends with them so we can sabotage Diamond.
Erbium really hates Diamond.
She's evil.
I don't know.
Please, it's harmless fun.
Well, I guess so.
Unanoctium knew it was wrong to do bad things to Diamond, but she didn't want to disappoint her new friends. So she went along with it and looked for opportunities to make Diamond miserable.
My surface is looking so dull.
Oh, I have this really good polish I can give you.
After 2 months at Periodic High, Unanoctium is now firmly part of the covalents. And so the covalents decide to put her through an important rite of passage.
I think it's time to show Unoctium the burn book.
What's the burn book?
It's where we write everything we think about all the intermolecular forces.
Water's so weird. Her solid form is less dense than the liquid form.
Still true. Iron always cuts school. She is always off somewhere being conductive and getting drawn into a wire.
So not classy. They should be called non-molecular forces instead of intermolecular forces.
Erbium charges slowly in air. What a loser.
Oh, so true.
3 months in, Unanoctium has been spending less and less time with thorium and erbium. She's also been acting more and more like the covalents with each passing day.
How come you kept blowing us off all last weekend?
Oh, you guys know I can't hang out with you guys. I have to pretend to be covalent.
Yeah, I don't think you're pretending anymore, but whatever. Do you want to hang out tonight?
No. I have a major idea to sabotage Diamond.
Wow, you're ditching us again? Not cool.
Well, it's not my fault that you tarnish slowly in air and have no other friends.
Oh, no, you didn't.
You know what? We are no longer friends.
I really want to try and turn blue. I'm sick of my color. But boron, iron, and planting is so expensive.
Oh my god, I have a bottle of boron at home. I could totally give it to you.
OMG, that would be like amazing. I'm not blue, I'm brown. Oh, I'm gonna nutrient bombard that little sneak. Look at that burn book. There's that picture. This solid is such a fake rip-off diamond. What a wannabe.
Principal Mendeleev, they're fighting outside.
Oh, heck no, I didn't leave Russia for this. Everyone, report outside. So who's responsible for this?
Obviously Anoctium, because she's the only one not in the book.
Well, I suppose finger pointing won't solve anything. Every group needs to sort through their problems now.
Water, me and HF think you've been really snobby ever since that college scout told you you have the perfect ratio of lone pairs to hydrogens.
Well, it's true, isn't it?
Yeah, but you seem so smug about your high boiling point. We all have super high boiling points, and it takes a lot of energy to break us apart.
Fine, I guess I'm sorry. I didn't know it bothered you so much. I guess I was just jealous of the fact that ammonia, you're basic, and HF, you're acidic, and I'm just neutral.
Well, at least we all know we're pretty strong, because our individual molecules are wicked polar due to the electronegativity on one end. So the positive hydrogen can form a pretty strong interaction with the negative end of another molecule, creating each of us.
Très bien. I'm tired of you being so bloody stuck up about the fact that your molar mass is larger than ours, or all London dispersion forces.
Well, I can't help it that my intermolecular forces are stronger because I'm bigger. Blame the fact that I have more electrons and more temporary dipoles. Don't blame me.
Your interactions are only slightly stronger than ours, and we're tired of your attitude. Especially when you brag about being a liquid. And when you call me volatile, it really hurts.
Fine, I'm sorry.
Iron. Me and Gold are mad at you for going and conducting electricity without us.
Well, I was mad at you too. How could you say that I dress like I'm trying to sell my electrons? All of us have delocalized electrons floating around us. I feel betrayed.
Well, we were mad at you because last weekend when we went to Metal Stock, that guy told you that you looked really, really ductile. CH3F, I'm sick of you being so moody all the time.
You know, it's not my fault. My polarity makes me bipolar.
All our polarities make us bipolar. We have our negative and positive ends.
And that weekend when someone mistook you for a hydrogen bond and you looked so happy, that really hurt.
Well, at least we know we're stronger interactions than the London dispersions.
Yeah, that's true.
Now that we're good, does anyone have anything to add?
I do, Principal Mendeleev. I was the one who started this because I was the one who sabotaged Diamond. That's the reason she distributed the whole burn book thing. I'm really sorry.
Oh my gosh, she's decaying! Someone call the nuclear facility!